Widely known for their affordable smartphones, HONOR is expanding its product range to include the production of laptops, earbuds, and IoT-enabled devices. They're also developing a smart ecosystem, branded 1+8+N, to help young people embrace a digitally connected lifestyle. Now, let's dive right into the tech. First up, we've got the HONOR MagicBook 14. HONOR's first foray into laptops, this powerhouse boasts a 10-hour battery life, letting you binge an entire Netflix series while also working on the go. And on top of that, you'll look good while doing it. The 14-inch display has a sleek 4.8mm bezel, fingerprint power button, and has a pop-up webcam hidden in the keyboard. Next up, we've got the HONOR Magic Earbuds. Coming in both blue and white, these earbuds are noise-canceling, so you can listen to music without the taxi driver joining in. They also have 3.5 hours of continuous music playback on just one charge, maxing out at 13 hours using the USB-C compatible charging case, giving you plenty of time to jam along to your personal playlist wherever you are. Next, we've got the HONOR MagicWatch 2. Powered by the industry's first dual chipset, the MagicWatch 2 balances power consumption and performance. With a 14-day battery life, this watch tracks your workouts, your sleep, and your stress, helping you stay healthy in both body and mind. Last up, we've got the HONOR 9X Pro. The design is sleek, with a full glass front and back and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for security. In addition to the 256GB storage, there's a powerful Kirin 810 chipset, which will provide you with a great gaming experience. But before heading back, we stopped by HONOR's All-Scenario Intelligence press conference to check out their IoT devices, as well as a little stunt they had planned. We saw IoT-enabled humidifiers, TVs, air purifiers, and even a robotic vacuum, all part of the 1+8+N ecosystem HONOR's developing. And out back, we saw laptops being used in a way we had never seen before. To demonstrate the battery power of the MagicBook 14, HONOR set up 5 laptops that charged an ATV in 1 hour, offering an additional 5 kilometers driving distance. And that's it for us. For the latest on HONOR and all new tech announcements, check out Mashable.com.